That's amazing. What's cracking, folks? Lloyd here, back again with another unboxing video. So I'm not unboxing an Apple device, finally, woohoo. But this time I'm gonna be unboxing this vacuum right here. It's called the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal version. This came out like about 2 years ago. We got this off Black Friday Best Buy, and it was roughly about 350 bucks. It was on sale. Original cost is usually 500 bucks, not on sale. So if it's still out there, guys, I highly recommend you guys get some. This is basically our first ever cordless vacuum. You know, we've been using like conventional cord vacuum and stuff like that, those bulky kinds. It wasn't doing its job really to clean our house, our apartment rather. So this thing can run for up to 60 minutes, fade-free power, and it's got different kinds of suction mode. One is longer runtime for extended cleaning, which is basically, I guess, a lower power. And then it's got suction mode 2, additional power for everyday cleaning. And it's got a boost mode. This one looks like it cleans out dirt and stuff, pet hairs it seems. Filtration systems, it captures about 99.97% of microscopic particles as small as 0.3 microns. Let's go ahead with this unboxing video. So I'm just gonna whip out my Bear Grylls Jerry Bear knife right here. I swear one day I'm gonna stab myself with this thing. It's like unboxing, it'll cut off my fingers. So anyway, so unbox it. Cut this guy right here. Right here. Oh, it's got tape right here too. Alright, let's see this moment. Ooh, snap! I can see that. Oh my gosh. Wow, this looks amazing. I don't know about you guys, but you know, if you're a millennial, Gen X, Gen Z, late Gen Z, and if you're not excited about a vacuum unboxing, then I don't know what world you're from, man, but this is the best investment out there you can ever probably get for your apartment or a house. So yeah, I think you just basically assemble this thing off. So go ahead and get unwrapping. That's dope. Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal. Alright, we got a couple of brushes and stuff right here. Alright, this suction part right here. Ooh, this kind of reminds me of like when I used to clean my car. More tube stuff here. Seems I am just ripping this apart. Set that aside. Charging brick right here. Oh, I was thinking it would be like a USB-C port or something. That would be dope. Alright, cool. We got the actual head itself right here. Is alright, cool, excellent. More selections for the head. And what's this part right here? Oh, this looks like the wall mount. And then the actual motor slash guy itself. Oh my gosh, this looks like a. Oh my gosh, it's on, guys! Wow, this looks like a laser. Woo! That's dope. Alright, I'm about to kill some zombies. Alright. Oh my god. What did I just do? Let's see what else is in the box. Just want to make sure I didn't miss anything in the box. We got a instruction manual right here for mountain. I tend to like throw away stuff right away when I unbox things, and then I miss like some random wire or something that is like needed. So I want to make sure I want to double check these. Alright, I think that is all for this unboxing video. So what you guys will get, and basically what you'll need, is this guy right here. So we got the little laser gun looking thing. This guy right here, and this guy right here. The other ones are of course like attachments and stuff. And then definitely you'll need this to charge it. So it looks like it's got some charge right now. So I'll test it out, assemble this real quick, test it out for you guys. So actually I didn't read the instruction, guys, but it says 20% charge, charge before fully using. So I'm gonna go ahead and charge it real quick and show you guys a quick demonstration. I'm actually gonna clean up our apartment. So let's see how strong this is and see if it fully holds up to its hype.
A few more minutes left.
Okay, so just finished charging the vacuum, guys. Took about roughly an hour and a half from 20% to fully 100% charged. Kind of tested it out a little bit, hence why it's kind of dirty, but I think it's awesome. So let's try it out in our room. It's the only room basically that has pure carpet. So let's go for it. Alright, so that was mode 1. I'm gonna be on mode 2 now. Let's see how strong it is. Alright, so here are all the stuff that we suck up in our room. Lots of dog hairs definitely, and some dusts here and there. Let's try it out, see if this one right here works. Oh wow. That's beautiful. That's great. Look at that. That was amazing. Alright, now we're gonna try it on our long hallway runner right here. That's amazing. Wow, you can see it in real time. Oh boy, that's not even all of it yet. Okay, so now I'm gonna test it out to see if it can pick up any stuff without carpets, you know, just hardwood, not hardwood, cement. Alright, so yeah, so it looks like it did pick up some stuff that I wasn't able to see with my naked eye. That is amazing. All right, I'm gonna finish vacuuming here right now, guys, and then we're gonna go test it out in another room here. All right, guys, final test is this part right here. Might not see it, but our dog lays here a lot, plays here, and does all her stuff here basically, and it's full of hairs, like if you look closely enough. And so, you know, I'll just have the vacuum judge that, but yeah, here goes. Wow, that's amazing, look at that. It's got some hairs right there too. Yeah. Alright, so look at all that gunk. Dang. What's great about this vacuum is it's so small that I can finally fit it right here. Well guys, that is all for this video of the Dyson V10 Animal version. Honestly, the cleaning clips that you guys saw does not do it enough justice. You gotta see it, you gotta use it, and you gotta breathe it to actually experience the power that this vacuum packs. It definitely blows away the conventional vacuum that I used to use, which was super heavy and you gotta plug it in, make sure you don't trip on the wires and stuff like that. However, I can't really compare this against other cordless vacuums out there to see if they are powerful, if this one is powerful. But since it's Dyson, can't really go wrong with them. Now, as far as storage goes, I really love it. Girlfriend loves it as well. You know, you can just store it under our bed or under our desk or maybe in the cabinet as well or pantry. Everything is just super easy to store. Whatever you guys can fit this vacuum in. It's great for studios or a 1-bedroom size apartment. Now, I probably won't recommend this though if you guys own like a 2,000 plus square footage house and if it's all carpet, mainly because this only runs for about 60 minutes. And after that you gotta charge it again. I'm not sure if you're able to buy an extra battery. It's really awesome though still if you're living in an apartment or something like that. But other than that, this is really awesome and I highly recommend this vacuum or the V11 or the previous versions as well too. Anyways guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video informative in some ways, hit that thumbs up button and the subscribe button if you haven't done so. But other than that, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.